Good morning guys, ito po yung apat na klase ng push up para lumaki ating dibdib. First as regular push up or 10 repetition only, then with 4 sets. Then second is diamond or close push up para na rin dito sa gitnang bahagi ng ating dibdib para magkaroon ng laman. And then possibility mag-grow yung chest natin. So same 10 repetition and have a 4 sets. So ito naman is like incline sa gym. So ipapato na yung paa para na rin sa taas na bahagi ng dibdib. Then ito pang-apat, same as decline, same repetition and same sets or sets, and 10 much better kung madagdagan mo ng repetition. Thank you for watching.